Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit smoothie at home. First, select your favorite fruits, whether fresh or frozen. Next, choose a liquid base like milk, juice, or water. Finally, consider adding a boost with ingredients such as yogurt or protein powder. This simple process ensures a perfect smoothie every time. Selecting the right fruits is key to a great smoothie. Aim for about 1 to 2 cups of fruit per serving. Frozen fruits are fantastic because they make your smoothie thick and cold without diluting the flavor with ice. Try a mix of sweet and tart fruits for a balanced taste, like a banana with some berries. Your liquid base is crucial for texture. Start with about 1 cup of liquid for a single serving, adjusting as needed. Options include dairy milk, almond milk, or even coconut water for a tropical twist. For an extra nutritional punch, consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, a scoop of protein powder, or a half cup of Greek yogurt. Now for the blending. Start your blender on a low setting to break down the ingredients, then increase to high speed until everything is perfectly smooth. If your smoothie is too thick, add a tablespoon of liquid at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Pour it into a glass and enjoy your homemade, nutritious treat right away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.